Big Reek. Reek. You gotta say it for the Jammerz.
It been like that. I try to tell pussy niggas it been like that. It ain't just get like that. I've been telling niggas I've been that nigga.
It be like that sometimes.
Hey, I'm not even trying to convince niggas no more. Nigga, it's my life.
That's when you know it's your life. I just want to Atlanta, bro, and felt the same way. I'm like, God damn. What's your name? I'm J Star, man.
Big up. Big Reek in that bitch. I don't fuck going on, man. Nigga been on the Casamigos on that. I done drunk this whole fucking bottle.
Y'all heard him. Y'all know what time it is. Yeah, at the bowling alley. There's a lot of celebrities here, including myself. Cheers.
Another Mike D exclusive.
Yeah, it's me cool LA ID. Can you handle your own liquor? Every shot she takes, she think her booty getting bigger. She got her own fun, she don't need no nigga. All I wanna know, can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your liquor? All I wanna know, can you handle your liquor? Every shot she takes, she think her booty getting bigger. She got her own funds, so she don't need no nigga. All I wanna know, can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your liquor?
All I wanna know, can you really handle it? I'm on fire off the wax like a candle lit. I roll a half if I'm pouring up a half a fifth. When the liquor go to work, can you manage it?
That's all I'm really trying to find out. She a little baddie, put her ass in timeout. I'm smoking a fatty louder than what she talking about. I'm not the cannon, but I'm always about to wild out. Wow, why don't you show me how you be drinking responsibly? I'm trying to put my dick right behind where your tonsils be. She say she do anything just to spend some time with me. But all I wanna know, can you handle your liquor? Every shot she takes, she think her booty getting bigger. She got her own funds, so she don't need no nigga. All I wanna know, can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your liquor? I got her taking shots like a photographer. She keep me in her mouth just like a lounger. When she tryna turn up, trust me, ain't no stopping her. She ain't tryna cuff me, trust me, ain't no copping her. Say she wanna drink until she black out. She back it up on me, I throw her back out. Then I hit her with the move and make her tap out. Somebody get her some water before she pass out. She drunk as fuck, she ain't really tryna take pictures. She want me to captain save a hoe like Avengers. She say that good weed to Patron on her agenda. But all I wanna know, can you handle your liquor? Every shot she takes, she think her booty getting bigger. She got her own funds, so she don't need no nigga. All I wanna know, can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your
My
liquor?
nigga right here about to hit a strike. What the joint is right?
Can you handle your liquor? Can you handle your liquor?
Where the fuck you been? Hey, where the fuck you been? Make sure you get this.
I got you.
No, this. Yeah. What y'all talking about? Cause y'all know how I rock it. Y'all been know how I rock it.
though, Jammerz, it's been a minute since I made a fucking vlog. It's been a lot going on since then. For one, I moved to Cali. That's where I'm at right now. So I've been here for like 2-3 months now. Two, my car got broken into and they stole my laptop. So that's the real reason why I haven't seen no vlogs lately. Actually, I still haven't even bought a laptop. I don't even got a crib yet. But I'm out here hustling, you know. But yeah, so let me finish updating y'all. So bang, I had to buy a new studio computer because my studio computer took a shit on me. So I had to buy another computer.
This shit hard as fuck. Let me get this motherfucking fuck, man. How much you want?
It's a girl or a boy? Huh? Can I walk in there? That's a girl? Trust me, for my issues.
No, for camera purposes.
That's a girl? Yeah. I got a boy. Just to walk in, yeah?
This yours, bro?
Yeah.
You selling them? You got a kennel?
My boy in Atlanta does. Yeah, you want to mate? I got a boy. Okay, I'm too young right now.
It's some parking somewhere, bro.
You better make parking.
Mine's about 12 weeks.
You got one?
Yeah.
Who's your reader, bro?
Who's your reader? Sean, where my wife got it.
For real?
Yeah, and I got a bulldog too. Really?
Damn. Damn, niggas pulling up. Yeah, we got one. Oh, no, is that BL6 or a CL?
Shit, but it's done at 2.
That's what I'm trying to figure. Damn, black cars.
Yeah, what y'all do? You play sports or something?
Nah, my little cousin played for the Rockets, but I'm a producer and engineer. Songwriter.
Shout your Instagram out for the vlog.
Oh, Instagram, Pitbull the Bodyguard, man. Spell Pitbull, D-A Bodyguard. Holla at me.
I got a little couple Casamigos on me.
I got some Hornitos.
This is my boy Kool-Aid.
What up, though?
What
What up, though? I got this black one.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This one is pulling up. How you doing? You doing all right? We a little cold. Come on, nigga. Come on, nigga.
Should I go get this Hornitos?
Suspect as fuck.
Bar's still open though. Y'all can go hit the bar.
I'm just gonna hit the bar.
Go ahead and give a shout out to the vlog.
Oh man, you know what up. Your boy Hub City Madball, you know how it is. Shit, I'm out of here now.
All right, be safe, stay dangerous, bro.
Give me.